small business owners like us who can use marketing automation. And we'll be discussing what marketing automation actually is and the best ways for you to use it to grow. Welcome. Hey, go-getters. I'm Tanisha Halstead, the founder of Virtually Centered Solutions. I'm a CRM and automation consultant. I'm also a Keep certified partner. And you may have heard of Keep before. It was formerly Infusionsoft. Keep is really a leading small business CRM and automation platform. And some of the things that puts it as a leader is that it offers email marketing, sales platform, and it's really for small businesses, including ways for them to manage their customers, their marketing, and even e-commerce. You're most likely here with me because you want to conquer the chaos, and there's been something that's stopping you in the tracks from doing it. Most of the time, what I realize is that in speaking with small business owners, it's a snooze fest. Everyone is not excited about technology, and sometimes it might not be that you're not excited. It could just be that you're just overwhelmed by all the aspects of it. So with that in mind, we are going to talk about today the best ways that you can also use marketing automation to grow your small business. So, what even is marketing automation? And really, simply put, it's using technology to automate repetitive tasks in your marketing strategy. And what do we talk about this buzzword of like focusing on the bigger picture? And I really want you to kind of take away today too that it's like having a virtual assistant that takes care of those nitty gritty stuff for you. We'll start with number one. So number one is don't let the gurus fool you. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. And guess what we're going to talk about today? It's how you blend it with marketing automation. So we're going to make it even better. So think about when you're automating your email campaigns, and we want to make them personalized. As I mentioned earlier, we talk about automation, but we're humans. So we do crave that people-centric feeling. So imagine creating automated series or campaigns that can personalize your message and also track your results. We're not here just to create content to create content. And to me, email marketing is still a form of content because it's a way to talk about your value that you are providing a solution for your particular audience or niche. So think of your welcome messages, your follow-up messages, and abandoned cart reminders. These are really just ways that can be trigger-based emails that allow you to really engage with your audience. So that is actually number one, the way that you can use marketing automation to grow your small audience. I also want to let you know, little housekeeping, we are actually partnering with another group to host a learning series called Bridging the Gap. In that, I will actually be discussing automation gaps. And if you are tired of wishing for more time, just a better workflow, you can learn and take away some actionable steps to be sure to move the needle in that area. So go to this link, the bit.ly BTG ticket link, and you'll be able to go there and check out the resources, which I think will be really beneficial for my audience who is looking, or you, the small business owner who is looking to travel along that transformation journey of your automation being implemented. I'm always cheering you on, wishing you the best. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks of how you can grow your small business using marketing automation. And we'll see you next time.